Does this look like pieces for a train?
Yeah.
Oh.
Train.
Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff.
Train.
There's wooden blocks.
Train rocks. Wheels.
Those wheels for it?
Train.
Yeah.
Wheels. Oh, hey. No, wheels.
Yeah.
What's that, Corbin?
Wheels.
Wheels for what? Wheels for your...
Wheels.
For your train?
Yeah. Train.
Yeah, I bet you there's train and train tracks in here.
Yeah. Train wheels. Okay?
Okay, the train wheels.
Okay.
I believe you. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Those are all train tracks. Look, here's a train car. There's a train engine. Choo choo.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Train rocks.
Yeah.
Don't hurt yourself.
Train.
Is that the bridge?
Rocks.
These are the train tracks.
Train.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Oh
Corbin, is there a pink elephant riding the train?
no!
Corbin, look.
What is this? What kind of animal is this, Corbin?
Motors.
Corbin,
Why?
what kind of animal is that? Snake.
Snake.